Initially, the raw rice bran undergoes a thorough cleaning process to remove impurities. This is achieved using advanced cleaning equipment that ensures the highest quality of input material. Following this, the cleaned rice bran is crushed into smaller particles by specialized crushers. Next, the crushed rice bran is subjected to steaming and cooking. This critical step prepares the material for pressing by altering its structure and improving oil flow during extraction. The pressing stage utilizes screw presses or other pressing devices to mechanically extract a significant portion of tea. Solvent extraction systems are employed. After extraction, the crude oil enters the refining phase. Refining machinery removes impurities, such as gums, waxes, and pigments, resulting in clear, pure oil suitable for consumption. Finally, the refined oil is processed through packaging equipment. Each component of the production line plays an essential role in transforming rice bran into valuable oil products. By integrating these technologies, the entire process becomes efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly.